NVIDIA has released world's strongest and most performant AI chip. Jensen Huang released the NVIDIA's newest innovation, the Blackwell B200 GPU and GB200 at the Developers Conference GTC in San Jose. This has been designed specifically for AI workloads. This really powerful and massive chip is NVIDIA's latest step in dominating the AI hardware market, building on the momentum of their successful H100 AI chip. There are a lot of details which have been put in to this press release by NVIDIA, and I will drop the link in video's description. But for this video, let me just give you a very quick overview as why this GB200 and B200 are the game changer this year. For instance, the GB200 superchip combines two B200 GPUs, and B200 GPU delivers up to 20 petaflops of FP4 computational power, offering more robust computing support for AI models at equal or greater efficiency level than the H100. And GB200 superchip combines two of these B200 GPUs with a single Grace CPU that provides up to 30 times the performance of LLM inference workloads compared to the H100, along with a significant reduction in energy consumption, and more importantly, it is 25 times cheaper than the H100. This bit really intrigues me because if you have tried to buy H100, it's very expensive at the moment. The B200 and GB200 introduce a second generation transformer engine and next generation NVLink switch. These improvements are really groundbreaking because that not only increases the computational capability, bandwidth, and model size, but also it optimizes inter GPU communication efficiency. This is very important for large GPU clusters that need to work collaboratively. If you compare it to H100 GPU, these advancements allow the B200 series to more efficiently handle large data sets and more complex AI models, especially in distributed computing environments. The design of GP200 and B200 allows for easier scalability in data centers and cloud computing environments, particularly with large scale integrated solutions like GB200 NVL72. This really offers unprecedented AI training and inference performance. We already have seen the power of H100, but this B200, I think this just takes it to yet another level because it extends their capability, especially when it comes to business businesses hosting the LLMs in the full form locally and privately. So the launch of these two, especially the GB200 chip, sets a new benchmark for AI hardware. Now competitors are running for their lives because they're already trying to catch up to the A100 and H100s, and now they have to uh, take care of B200. So NVIDIA is already many leaps ahead of the competitors. So, but I really hope and wish that more and more competitors will catch up soon because we really don't need any monopoly in this game. We have seen the monopoly of Google in the search space for a long time. We really don't want to see that happening when it comes to AI hardware and, of course, then software because NVIDIA is also trying to get into the AI software market. And they already have a lot of monopoly there due to their CUDA. So I really hope and wish that while NVIDIA will flourish, other competitors should also catch up. That's it. Let me know your thoughts on this massive announcement. And I'm not sure when this is going to be released and what exactly is the cost in US. I'm based in Australia and I don't see any mention of its cost in Sydney market. But as soon as I learn it, I will let you know. But if you know it, please share it in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.